Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Sang.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Look at this picture.
Fish, frog, mouse, goat, donkey, bee, pig, bird, duck, chicken, horse, cow, sheep.
Okay, what do you see on the farm?
On the farm I see two birds. On the farm I see 3 ducks. On the farm I see a horse. On the farm I see 4 sheep.
Okay, what is your favorite animal?
I like fish. I like frogs. I like goats. I like mice. I like donkeys. I like pigs. I like pigs. Elephant. Tiger. Bee.
Bear,
Bear. Hippo. Giraffe.
giraffe.
Monkey.
What animal do you like?
I like elephant.
Elephants.
Elephants. I like tigers. I like
Bears.
bears. I like hippos.
No. What
I-
animal don't you like?
I don't like hippos. I don't like giraffes. I don't like monkeys.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.